Good afternoon. So now we are going to see about H plane T, which is used to divide the power at microwave frequencies. So this is the diagram of our H plane T. This H plane T is also called as shunt T. So this T junction having three ports, the port 1 and port 2, then port 3 respectively. Port 1 and port 2 is called as collinear arms and port 3 is called as side arm. The H plane T junction is formed by cutting the rectangular slot along with the width of the main waveguide and attaching another waveguide to the side arm is called as sketch arm or shunt arm. The port 1 and port 2 of the main waveguide are called as collinear arms or collinear ports. Okay. First we can define the S matrix for a 3-port junction. Already I have explained in the previous video, that is S matrix is formed of 3-port junction means S11, S12, S13, S21, S22, S23, then S31, S32, S33. This is the basic formation of S matrix. So first we can use the symmetric function, that is a symmetric junction. Okay, so symmetric junction means that will be port 1 3 equal to port 2 3, both will be same. That is nothing but S13 equal to S23. Next, symmetry property, Sij equal to Sji. So if you are interchanging column and rows, the S matrix does not change the any values. That is called as symmetric property. S12 equal to S21, then S31 equal to S213, S23 equal to S32, that is also equal to S13. So referred by equation number 2. Since our port 3 is perfectly matched means there is no reflection in the port 3. Therefore, S33 equal to 0. So now we can substitute all values in the general equation 1. So finally we will get the replaced version of our general equation. So now we can apply the unitary property. What is the unitary property? The unitary property is nothing but S matrix is multiplied by any one of the complex conjugate of any one of the row or column, that is equal to unit matrix. So that is S11, S12, S13, then S12, S22, S13, then S13, S31, that is equal to then unitary matrix. First matrix is real matrix, then another one matrix is complex matrix. Both matrix multiply means you will get the unit matrix. So unit matrix we can represent it by the diagonal all elements is 1. From this above unitary property matrix we can write the row multiply with the row 1 and row column 1, that is equal to S11 squared, then S plus S12 squared plus S13 squared, that is may be equal to 1. So same version, row multiplication of row 2 and column 2, then multiplication of row 3 and column 3, that is equal to, all are equal to 1. Now I am going to pick the cross row and column, that mean by R3 then C1, that is must be equal to 0. So from this I am solving equation number 8, I will get the S13 value, then comparing 6 and 7, I will get the another one coefficient value S11. So finally, I will get all values. These all values may be substitute in the equation number 5. Now I will get the one new scattering matrix. The scattering matrix is represented the which type of power will be divided in the H plane T as vice versa. So first S11 is power is 1 by 2. Then S12 power will be minus 1 by 2. Finally, S13 power will be 1 by root 2. So this is the H plane T matrix S matrix equation. Thank you.